Good afternoon. We are here a little late today because my dad and I are going magnet fishing. So, I still gotta feed the Georges and the birds. Georges need to eat. No Georges out. Huh. You got water, finch food, bluebird food, water. Where are all the Georges? Oh, there's a little, I don't know if it was a finch or a sparrow. Okay, Georges are fed. It's so beautiful out today. I am praying for my dad tomorrow during his surgery, and I am praying that his recovery goes well, and I am hoping the mud at the babies dries up tomorrow, so that'll make it a little bit more interesting. More interesting to walk and do all that. So these were our treasures from last time. And I took a hard turn somehow. This is trash. Took a hard turn and I lost one of the buckets. Ouch. Everything hurts. When you get to that age where you're like, everything hurts. Yeah, that's where I'm about at that age. So, don't let me forget to put my dad's trash out today. And over and out. We will see what we find magnet fishing.